Hey guys, so today we're going to be opening up this American Girl doll. These create and craft little drawers here. So yeah, let's get started. Got my scissors here. So by the way, I'm going to definitely do a part 2. Okay, so we've got a sheet full of stickers and labels down there. And we've got our actual drawers. So we'll make a little hole right there. Whoa, that was loud. Got some decorations in this pack. Some jewels and stickers. Some more stickers here. These are the, I guess, instructions? Yeah. So there's this purple pattern side. This is American Girl. And you flip it over. There's a bunch of little drawers. There's this one. There's these that are only one of them. And these the little cubes. They're not very easy to open because they're cardboard. Ugh. Oh gosh. Wow. I did not think they were going to be cardboard. And there's a little cube for you to put something in there. Okay, so I'm going to read the instructions. Blah, 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 blah. Okay, we read that. So now we're only going to decorate one little cube. Or not. Hold on. I'll see you guys in part 2 in a minute. I'll just decorate this one cube because I'm excited. Let's set up the sheet. I'm going to have to do this one. And then we'll put the label right there. And we're going to put it right there. And I'm going to write something there, like bracelets or something. So you can put it in there. Actually, I want to see what comes in this kit. Oops. I'm making a lot of noise. Ooh, so there's pop-out stickers. See, so they pop out. You can kind of see that. They're like 3D. Some jewels. Some bubble stickers. They feel like weird. I don't know how to explain it. See some more 3D stickers. And these are just, I don't know what these are. Cardboard cutouts. So we're gonna put this right So before, after. So I put some pop-out stickers, some bubble stickers, and random stuff. So yeah. Okay, this is 5 minutes. Okay, I'll decorate one more drawer. This one. This one's yellow with white polka dots. And it's a label. Perfect. Okay, see you guys in part 2. Bye.